episode where we filled up the fluids, the coolant and the oil. The bike's now been standing for a week. There's been no leaks, which is good. So a couple more parcels arrived. Because obviously I didn't want to run the overflow bottle that normally attaches on the inside inside the fairing, because it's just a big white bottle. It looks obtrusive. So not sure about the hose, but ordered myself a catch can, available for eBay. I'll leave a link in the description below of where I got this one. Fairly cheap, around the £20 mark. Took about a week to get. Quite a nice looking can. Comes with all the fitting instructions. Comes with clamps. And as I say, a really sort of quite bright hose. So that's one of the jobs for today. Also deliberating about the clocks. Ideally I did want to use the original clock so I can keep the original mileage, but they are just too large. So did a bit of research, spoke to a couple of people. Came up with these. These are off a 600 SRAD. As you can see, the size difference. But the good thing is, it's the same plug, exactly the same pins, so it should just clip straight in. So we're going to have a go at that as well today. I'm going to have to make up some sort of bracket, sort of a, you can see from there, a triangular shaped bracket, and then try and fix it to the under yoke if possible. So that's another job for today. I will use these when I start powering the bike up, because obviously, as far as I'm aware, I don't think this gives me the fuel injection settings, and also it doesn't give me the check, so I can put it into dealer mode, because I need to change the throttle sensor, because if you remember a while ago I did a video on putting the bike into dealer mode and it came up with C00, which is fine, which means there was no faults, but the minus sign was at the top. It needs to be in the middle, so it could have been at the bottom, middle or top. So that is the throttle sensor on one side of the bike. I just literally need to tap that down, so I use these clocks just to get that setting. But I'll go with these. I did try and find this set was roughly the same mileage as what I've got on this. I think it's about 1,000 miles difference, which isn't too bad. So that's another project for today. But first of all, catch can. Let's get cracking. You're probably wondering what the whirring noise is as well. It's pretty hot in this garage, so I rigged up an old cooling fan to battery. Not too bad. Right, these are all the fitments that are in there. So it comes with a couple of brackets, depending on how and where you want to fit it. Anything probably here, because that's the rubber I need to remove. That runs all the way through and goes through to the other side where the overflow bottle would normally be. So we'll probably look in this position. It'd be nice to have it there, but there's no real place to attach it to. It is quite out of the way there. Right, I might be able to attach it. This bolt here. So it kind of be, bang you out a bit. kind of be that position. So I'll give that a go, so I need to take that one out. Right, so let's get this bolt out. Alright, just got to pull this hose through. Right, so that's the hose that basically connects to the overflow tank on this side of the bike. So as I'm mounting it this side, I just need to disconnect this. Feed that through. So that's the overflow pipe from here, which runs around normally to the other bowl. Alright, so let's just try this one for size. Actually drill the hole, make it a bit bigger. So that should be enough. You can see in there. So that actually fitted there. I should be able to get the pipe through. So just need to tighten those up. There we go. That's in position. Just got to connect the hose. run it that way up and then connect there. That shouldn't touch. I can always cable tie it. Bit better, and then just run it to there and cut. There we go. That's the catch can done. So all that's left to do is I've still got to top this up, and obviously top this up as well. No, happy with that. So that's another job ticked off the list. Still not quite sure about the bright orange hose, but if it comes to it, I'll replace it with a black one. But for now, that's okay. Well, I hope that was helpful and enjoyable for everyone. As I said before, please keep the comments going. I really appreciate all your feedback. It's helped me move forward. I've had things pointed out to me that I didn't even know. As I say, some great comments from, to name but a few, Bandit Nev, John Boy, Frank Murray, good ones from Del Boy, oh, the list is there, Surrey Rider, Venom Killer 1. As I say, all great comments, so please keep them coming, and I'll see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.